Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this series of video, we are going to discuss about the important question bank set 1 for module 4 in 21EC53 computer networks. Come, let's go into the video. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment. First question, examine stop and wait protocol with flow diagram. So here you can see that the stop and wait protocol, there are different protocols used in transport layer like stop and wait, simple protocol, selective repeat. So here in stop and wait protocol, this is the block diagram and this is the flow diagram. So you have to draw this and explain that it depends upon the sequence number and the acknowledgement number. Like sequence number starts from x plus 1, x plus 2 till x plus n. Acknowledgement number ranges between zeros and 1. So you have to draw this and explain, and then this is the flow diagram where you will be explaining about this is the start where one bit with sequence number x, the packet 0 will be sent to the receiver, then receiver will send acknowledgement, again it will be sent. So if it is lost, what will happen, all those process will be explained in detail. Moving on to the second question, examine simple protocol with flow diagram. So simple protocol is nothing but you are sending and receiving the packets in order. So this is the block diagram and this is the flow process. In block diagram you have sender and the receiver. Through a logical channel, the packet gets transferred from one end to the other end, and here you have client and server model where request is sent for packet and it is arrived, acknowledgement will send and request will be sent back. This is how the process takes place in simple protocol. So block diagram with the flow diagram, we can illustrate the simple protocol. Next question, explain go back N protocol. So go back N protocol, you have a flow diagram. This is the flow diagram, that is the send window and the receive window. This is the block diagram where this also depends upon the send and receive window, where send window is nothing but it illustrates about the first outstanding and the next to be sent with timers, where you will have acknowledgement number and checksum. Then here you have the send window and the receiver window, where send window depends upon the size of the complete, like outstanding and the data that can be sent. This illustration has to be explained, and the receive window is nothing but it will be representing the next expected data that can be fit into the next window, sliding window. So this is send window and receive window. So this is how we have to explain for go back in protocol. Outline and explain send window and receive window for selective repeat protocol. So this is the send window. So here you can see that you have difference. 0, 1 is in blue color, 2 is in gray color, and 4, 5, 6 in white color. So here the 0, 1, 3 is nothing but it is the outstanding packet which is not yet acknowledged. So it is waiting for acknowledgement. Only when the acknowledgement is received, the sliding window moves to the next packet. And the gray 2, that number indicates that the packet is being acknowledged but it is out of order. It means that 0, 1 is sent but it is not acknowledged. 2, it is sent but it is lost somewhere. That is why it is out of order. Before 2, 3 has already reached the receiver. So like this you have to draw the send window and explain what is happening. And in receive window you can see that the name selective repeat protocol is nothing but it keeps on repeating the selector sliding window. That is, see here you have the receive window, that is next packet that is to be received, and you have a shaded part 4, 6, 9. So this is nothing but it is out of order. So it has been sent but acknowledgement is not received, meaning that it is still being sent and it is not in the order like 1, 2, 3. It is in the jumbled order. So this is the receive window. So matching sending and receiving window, you will be explaining how selective repeat protocol works. Moving on to the next question. Demonstrate the UDP services and applications. So UDP, you know, it is user datagram protocol. So these are the set of services that has been provided, process to process communication. So one end to the another end. Being it is a wireless, we call it as connectionless service. And generally we have flow control, error control, congestion control for all the set of protocols to ensure that there is no error happening, flow is maintained in a particular way, there is no congestion in the transmission line. And then checksum is nothing but we check that the complete data that is being sent with 0 and 1 byte, we check whether there is error or not. Encapsulation, decapsulation, multiplexing, queuing, all these are set of UDP services provided to the network. Application. So in all the real-time data or the application related to real-time, the UDP services is used. But to be precise, you can tell that it is suitable for the process where simple request and response communication is taking place. That is, you request for a packet, your acknowledgement is sent back. That is how. It is a very simple process. And it is also suitable for multicasting, unicast, global cast, multicast. Like that, you can connect n number of devices, that is called as multicasting. It is used for management process like SNMP, FTP, all those. And also it is used for some routing protocols, that is, it updates whether the data is being sent or received. So routing kind of algorithms where we use their UDP services can be, that is UDP can be used as a protocol, user datagram protocol. So this is the set of services and application. Next question, demonstrate user datagram and explain each block. So this is your user datagram with header and pseudo header. First you have to explain what is header, what is pseudo header, and then each and every block must be explained. UDP total length, so the actual payload of UDP. What is the source port address, destination port address, what is the protocol that has been used. All those will be clearly explained with this diagram. So hope you have understood these small tips that can be learned, and make sure you are portraying it in your exam. Please be stay tuned for more information. Thank you.